reflecting on my trays done late at night, chasing gold and silver under moonlight. Numbers blur like shadows in my mind.
Welcome to the first edition of Tradealytics. So Tradealytics is a new series of videos where I will be deconstructing the trades that I took over on the last day or on a previous week. So these are part of my reflections and my journaling. So every week I look at all the trades that I've done and I note down what I did well, what I didn't do well, so that it's a continuous form of improvement. So these trades could be a set of swing trades that I've taken or a set of intraday trades that I've taken. The intraday trades are called ninja trades and the swing trades are called turtle trades. So that's the format of this video. Welcome to episode number 1. This is a reconstruction of the trade done in Adani Ports on 26th of December and the expiry day. The trade was done in cash market. Adani Ports opened with a bang with a beautiful candle which was closing above so many previous minutes high, and then it went into sideways mode. And we got a kind of a rectangle kind of setup here, and there's a bullish engulfing here, so I took long above the high of this bullish engulfing candle with my stop 1191, so 6-point stop. And once the stock gave this at this point, I'm making 1.1:3 risk reward, so I booked my 1/3 position here. And I started trailing, so my trailing stop loss became low of this candle. In the next 15 minutes, it went up to, the risk reward went up to 1:5. So I moved the stop loss to here. And then it was the end of the day, and I ended the trade with a 7-hour profit. This is one of the fantastic trades that we took in this week. This was also shared in the golden group of the YouTube. The idea of candles being able to guide where the market is going is, if you look at the daily candle structure, the logic of the trade also can explain why I picked Adani Ports. In the daily structure, you can see that Adani was making series of low candles, low range candles, and then at this point you can see that how constructed the price action became. So a good breakout would have worked in its favor. And earlier in the month we were actually busy shorting Adani at several places over here. So we kind of realized that Adani is not going down. It is going to go about 1200 for sure. So at some point we also know that we're going to go back up. So there is a fake bearish engulfing over here, and once the high was crossed, there is no point in looking back. But of course, nobody could have entered this here unless you are a daredevil, because the stop is too high. So we had to wait for a beautiful entry to enter the market. So beautiful entry is the one which gives you the lowest risk. That's all we can say, right? Because reward, we are not aware when we are entering. That is the reconstruction of the trade in Adani Ports. Simple, a bearish engulfing pattern in the daily and a bullish engulfing pattern on the smallest time frame chart, and then just trailing it all the way up. It was very easy trail because it was just making new highs and highs. There was not even a pullback. This is a reconstruction of the trade done in Chola Finance. 5 minutes time frame on 27th December 2024. Cholafin opened with a gap up and started falling immediately, and we're just waiting for the previous day's range to be hit, and it did so at this point. And immediately after that candle, we can see a bullish harami being formed, and then thereafter a confirmation candle. So I went long above this high of this candle, as low as the swing low, and we exited at 1216, which was my predefined target, thereby giving a risk reward ratio of 1:5. This is a very simple candlestick trade. There is nothing much to deconstruct about it. Just a trend is up, pulling back, made a bullish harami and confirmation candle, and then just wait for the target to come. Okay? So very easy trade. This, and we see this so many times, simple candlestick patterns. If you're able to spot them at the right place and then just go with the flow, you will make a lot of money. This is a deconstruction of trade done in Adani Ports on 24th of December, Tuesday, 2024. So Adani Ports opened with an open high, and then it pulled back, crossed the high. Now we need to see that this is already a double top. Now triple top is there now, and it made a bearish hangman. So since it was a triple top, it was very easy to short. So I shorted this trade, stock. My stop loss was this, and then my predefined target was 1182. So, and this gave me a risk reward ratio of 1:6. So this is again classical candlestick trade. There is a previous stop, market opens above that, but couldn't sustain. Bears push the price down. Now bulls try to rescue you because there are people stuck here, and when it gave a pullback to this level, bears again stepped in and wanted to take the price down. Now this candle here gives a lot of clue about what's the next candle going to be and what's the trade going to be, this particular candle. Please watch and let me know in the comments what you think about it. And once this candle was formed, it is confirmed that this will fall to the previous swing low. And very important to note that on the same day, we got clue about the next trade that we took on this day. Because as you can see, once the market made this red candle, all the candles are very, very, very small. The size is going smaller and smaller and smaller, which sometimes can indicate an impending reversal depending on how the next candles are formed. So you can see that even in day trading, we need to look at a set of candles and not a particular candle alone. What is the previous trend and what is happening? So this was on the 23rd, and I'm taking the reference of 23rd to take on 24th. I'm taking the reference of 24th to trade on 26th. So that's how it works in markets. Everything in every time frame, candles are telling you a story. Are you listening to the story is the question.
Thank you.